Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue with Steam when you're trying to sign in and it says Steam is having trouble connecting to the Steam servers. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and without further ado let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just click on the start button one time. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on yes. Now in this elevate command line window you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset, R-E-S-E-T. So again, netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter on the keyboard. Once it's done, you should restart your computer and hopefully that's resolved the problem. If not, another thing you can try would be to go to the shortcut that you're running Steam with. So whatever you normally open it, so whether through the start menu, search, or if there's a shortcut on your desktop, you want to right click on it and then left click on properties, or you might have to open up file location if you're going through the start menu and then select properties. Now you want to left click on the compatibility tab and check mark where it says run this program as administrator and left click on apply and OK. Open up the application and hopefully that's resolved the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.